How to unlock my TikTok account. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock your TikTok account, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we are going to do first is to go into the TikTok app. Perfectly, so now when I'm on my TikTok app, and let's say that this account right here got like banned or suspended for some reason and I want to unlock it again, basically get it back, then what you need to do first is to actually add another account on TikTok. So I'm just going to use this one for an example in this tutorial. So you will need to have another account on TikTok to make sure that you can unlock the other one that you want to unlock. So when you have another account, then what you need to do is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. Perfectly, now we need to click where it says settings and privacy. Great, now we need to just scroll down and then click where it says report a problem. Great, it's just going to load here. Perfect, now we need to click where it says account and profile. And now we need to click where it says log in. And basically what we need to do now is to click where it says suspended account. Great, in here we need to click where it says no. Then click on need more help. So now you will be taken to this page right here where it says report a problem. So in here we need to write something like this. I have gotten my account, and then just like write the username for your account. So I'm going to do that from my account here. Suspended. I would like to get it back. Please send me the details on how I can recover my account. So basically write something like this. It does not have to be specifically exactly how I wrote this one, but I mean, I think you can just explain to TikTok that you have an account that have been banned or suspended and you want to get it back, basically. So just make that point across to them. And what you need to do now is to click where it says report. Perfectly. Now it will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond back to you. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer, just so you know. So basically this is exactly how to recover your TikTok account, or how to basically get it unlocked. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel, because I'm actually doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.